Hello folks, this is Yamil Sued for Gunstock Reviews. We're here in Enloe Custom Guns in Phoenix, Arizona with Marty. Marty, tick or no tick?
Yes.
Yes. Tick. We're not referring to the parasite that attaches to your dog or unsightly parts of your anatomy when you live in Mint, Missouri. Ask me how I know. Don't ask me. Tick refers to the little mark on the right hand of your selector on the receivers that have markings on both sides. So you know that you're in safe on or fire on the right hand side of your receiver. And the original AR-15s or M16 A1s or prior to the A1s didn't have that. I assembled, I didn't. Marty did.
Well, as our conversation went, when he first mentioned the no tick, I'm hearing that and hearing tick, thinking, why would you not want that? So that now it makes all the sense in the world. Yeah.
Thank you for watching Gunstock Reviews. Please visit our website at www.gunstockreviews.com for more exclusive content. Please visit our Patreon page at www.patreon.com/gunstockreviews. Your contributions would be greatly appreciated and help us grow our selections and frequency of videos.